If you've ever seen the session expired message on Facebook, you know how frustrating it can be. One moment, everything is working fine, and the next, you're suddenly logged out or blocked from continuing. In this video, I'll show you how to fix session expired on Facebook quickly and easily using a few simple steps that work for most people. And if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Facebook shows a session expired error. If your connection keeps dropping, Facebook may think the session is no longer valid, which can interrupt your login. So make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, or switch to mobile data if that seems more stable. Next, restart your browser. This might sound simple, but refreshing the browser environment can clear temporary glitches that are causing the issue. If you're using Facebook in Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox, close the browser completely and open it again. Then go back to Facebook and try logging in once more. In many cases, that alone can solve the problem. After that, log in again. If Facebook has timed out your session, you may just need to sign back in with your email and password. Enter your details carefully and make sure there are no typing mistakes. If you use saved passwords, double-check that the correct account is selected. Sometimes the error happens because the app or browser is trying to restore an old session that has already expired. Then, refresh the page. If you're already on Facebook and the page is stuck showing the error, a simple refresh can force the site to load a new session properly. On most browsers, you can click the refresh button or press the reload shortcut on your keyboard. After that, wait a few seconds and see if Facebook loads normally. If the problem still appears, try closing the tab or app and opening it again from scratch. This gives Facebook a fresh start and often clears out whatever temporary issue was causing the session to expire. You can also try clearing your browser cache if the issue keeps coming back, because old cookies and stored data sometimes interfere with logging sessions. Another useful step is to make sure your Facebook app or browser is updated. An outdated app can sometimes cause session errors, login problems, or loading issues. If you're on mobile, check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. If you're on a computer, update your browser to the latest version and then try Facebook again. If none of that works, try logging in from a different browser or device. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Facebook itself, your account, or just the browser you're using. For example, if it works in another browser, then the original browser may be the problem. So, to quickly recap, the main steps to fix session expired on Facebook are to check your internet connection, restart your browser, log in again, and refresh the page. Those simple steps solve the issue for a lot of users, and they're a great place to start before trying anything more advanced. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.